Adventures by Rosie. In today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to draw a beautiful willow tree. Start by drawing the trunk of the willow tree. Make it slightly thicker at the base and taper it as you go up. Notice how the trunk splits into several branches near the top. Draw these branches extending outward and slightly downward. Next, let's draw the roots. Willow trees have prominent roots that extend out from the base of the trunk. Draw a few roots on either side, ensuring they appear to spread out naturally and blend into the ground. Now let's add more details to the branches. Draw long, thin branches that hang down from the main branches, creating that characteristic willow tree look. Make sure these branches vary in length and thickness to add a realistic touch. Time to add leaves. Willow trees have long, slender leaves that hang down from the branches. Use quick light strokes to create clusters of leaves along the branches. You don't need to draw each leaf individually, focus on the overall shape and flow. Finally, let's add some shading to give overdrawing depth. Use a softer pencil or blend with your finger or a blending stump to create shadows on the trunk, roots, and branches. Pay attention to where the light source is coming from to make your shading look more realistic. And there you have it, a beautiful willow tree drawn step by step. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more drawing tips and tutorial. Happy drawing!